The objective of this function, or this seminar, is to bring to you the power of standards and the power of packaging. I have heard most of you saying you want to expand markets. And there is nothing more important, more significant that can expand markets. So we have come this day to demonstrate to you the value and the power of packaging. And this is one thing that has been left out in this county. And we are going only to make a difference in this county in terms of value addition, in terms of reducing poverty, in terms of creating employment, when we internalize and apply packaging.
We particularly appreciate the choice of Bungoma as the venue of this workshop, which has a great potential for industrial growth through value addition and agricultural products. Kebs has over the years participated actively in the development and promotion of standardization at the national, regional, and international levels. Up to today, we have developed 7,000 standards and has harmonized 1,100 East African standards and are available to industry. The Kenya Bureau of Standards has implemented product certification schemes to ensure that the health safety of Kenyans as well as environment is protected during exchange of goods and services. The product certification schemes lead to award of a standardization mark. Let me encourage you to be all-inclusive in your discussions, and I trust that the deliberations from this workshop will be used to enhance trade and contribute to the county and by extension the national economic development.
So the importance of barcodes is that they help in rapid and accurate identification as well as improving decisions in the feasibility supply chain demands. This is how the barcode works. From the barcode, you have the scanner. The scanner decodes the information, it takes it to the computer or a server. Then from there, it takes to the printer and then it issues a receipt. Like now you can see when it's scanned, it is detected, this is the barcode, this is the description and the price of that product.
There are various technologies which are available for packaging. They are called modified atmospheres of packaging. Because the moment you cook mandazi or a chapati, we have got microorganisms which start feeding on the chapati, and in the process they are deteriorating its quality. And this is as a result of the ordinary air that we use during packaging. So we have the technology whereby there's what we call vacuum packaging. Vacuum packaging is where once you have cooked the mandazi, you put it in a machine, and it's not very expensive. You can get it from China. Of course, I cannot tell you the exact amount, but it's not more than 200,000. From China, you evacuate the air, which is the atmospheric air, and farming probably 70% of nitrogen and 10% of CO2 and argon. The seminar of today about packaging and traceability was to sensitize the SMEs in Bungoma County on the available packaging standards and traceability for SMEs to be able to access what we call the formal supply chain. What we have realized is that in the total number of participants, who are 50, there was no SME here in Bungoma County which had what we call the standardization mark. Standardization mark is the basic requirement for any manufacturer to have made some approved specification in order to be allowed to sell products in Kenya. So far, from the 50, nobody has ever been issued with a permit to use the standardization mark. So the essence of the training today is to raise awareness on the available packaging standards, the available packaging technology in terms of elongation of the shelf life of products, especially the fast-moving products like the fresh fruits and vegetables and so on. There are various simple technologies which are being used in the so-called developed countries, which can easily be used here to make products freshly harvested from the farms to stay for long. But because our people in Bungoma County are not aware of such technologies, they are still using what we call the rudimentary way of packaging their products.
Our objective is to build packaging capability in this country and in the whole of Africa. And the Bungoma County is part of this country and is also part of Africa. So we have come to reach down here so that we can impress or inform the budding industrialists the importance of standards, the importance of packaging, so that they can be able to add value to their products. They can be able to access local, regional and international markets. They can do value addition. They can also be able to assist in generating employment.
We are very grateful for the workshop, sensitization workshop, because it has made our traders, our small entrepreneurs, to be more awakened on the importance of ensuring standards and also going the way of packaging to ensure that their products actually can access a better, wider market. We appreciate Kebs and the partners for the workshop because we see that it's going to add value to our small SMEs in the county, and also we've had a way forward during the workshop. Among the items listed in the way forward is at least to have a more detailed, a longer workshop so that people can get more details on the standards of products and also on ways of packaging and barcoding, all those components of SMEs growth, so that our citizens within Bungoma County can improve on their businesses.